Sawadee krab. Welcome to Thailand. The Immigration Bureau has introduced the use of Thai Digital Arrival Card or TDAC to facilitate travelers entering Thailand. All non-Thai nationals entering the Kingdom of Thailand, regardless of their mode of transportation, including land, sea, and air, must complete the TDAC online. Thai nationals returning to Thailand are not required to fill out the TDAC. The TDAC online is available for submission within the 3 days period preceding your travel dates. To get started, please have the following information ready, such as your passport or traveling documents, personal details like your full name, date of birth, and nationality, as well as your travel itinerary, including flight information, arrival date, and accommodation details in Thailand, and any necessary health declarations. First, visit the official website at tdac.immigration.go.th and click the Arrival Card button, or simply scan the QR code. The next step requires you to provide your passport information. You may do so by uploading a clear photograph of your passport or by manually inputting your personal information in English. For drop-down menus, typing the first 3 letters of your selection will help you to quickly find the right option. Then, provide your travel itinerary, including your flight details and where you'll be staying in Thailand. Click Continue to move to the next step. Individuals with specific nationalities or with travel history to the areas identified as high risk for specific disease within 14 days, the system will prompt you to provide additional health declaration information. Click Next to proceed. If you travel with others, you can click the Add button to include their information, repeating previous steps for each person. Now, take a moment to carefully review all the information you have entered. If you need to make any changes, just click Edit button. Enter your email address to receive confirmation of your TDAC submission. Agree to the terms and conditions, and then click Submit to finalize your application. Finally, download the evidence of your TDAC submission or check your email for the confirmation. Be sure to have this ready to present upon your arrival in Thailand. Completion of the TDAC online is mandatory before your arrival. Without completion, your entry will not be processed by the immigration officers. Thank you for your cooperation.